Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you what to do if you have spilled the water on your PC or laptop. So first of all, immediately shut down your system or laptop. Press and hold the power button, or you can disconnect all the cords from your system or PC. And once it is completely shut down, remove the RAM, remove the hard drive, remove the GPU, and remove the battery if possible for you. Remove the RAMs. Also SSD, this is SSD, remove it. Also if you have removable battery, just remove this as well. And now once you remove all the component, leave your system for almost 24 to 48 hours, and then see, just plug it back all the component one by one and see if you are able to get back your system working or not. And by this way you should able to get your system back, and if not, then there may be the chances that the hardware component or the motherboard is failed on your system. So this is the advice guys. Also, do not use any blower or the other component which can affect more on a system and which can cause the system to not boot up, and even water can spoil onto your motherboard. Just dry it with the normal towels or like cotton balls. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.